is there to back us. And Kalagoda Association has always wanted to support this particular cause. And it comes under our mandate also. So I thought this is a great thing to bring it back to the Kalagoda area, which there is no area like this. It's right at the Jahangir Art Gallery. And it all coincides, the not just the opening at Jahangir Art Gallery also coincides at this space. And the people who come there will come here.
Mr. Madhusudan Kumar, who was secretary at that time, and it was his pushing also that made me a member. So I really am happy for this event, and thank you so much for it.
I just want to tell you how fortunate we are to have this space. The earlier space was a meeting place for the progressive artists like Hussain and Raza and Ara. These artists were there, their blessings were there for that space. We hope their blessings will come here and it will encourage all young artists.
Wish to in this area, and now Artist Center has a very opening face. It was little inside. Now you have everyone can see by walking through the streets.
Yes,
So Artist Center is a very
out of
prestigious.
the artists, heritage district.
All I can say is that I'm glad Artist Center is alive and kicking, because we had a hiatus and we were previously protest. But glad to be home in Kalagoda at last. And we are proud that we kept it going during the COVID years. We kept it running. So very proud.
The Artist Center's members, the new show we are announcing, and the show would happen on from 8th to 21st July, which is 2 weeks duration, and submission entries should be by 15th of June, and the theme for this show is monsoon.
Lovely. God bless you.
So fortunately, Kalagoda is my baby, and Artist Center is also my baby. So I thought, क्यों नहीं दोनों को एक मिला लूँ and make it into something that is a good cause for both people. Artist Center is also an art cause. Kalagoda Association also does a lot for art. So it's a good way to bring the two together. We have this space very luckily, and the Tatas are very kind, because Army Navy building is a very prestigious building. It's also a heritage building in Kalagoda district. And first it used to be in Adore House. It started in 1950, Artist Center. Or Artist Center is something that we all have a very emotional connect with, because it was started in 1950 with progressives trying to help art, to promote the galleries, and to promote young artists, upcoming artists. और फिर उसके बाद जब हमारी जगह चली गई अडोर हाउस में, उसके बाद वी वर अ लिटिल लॉस्ट कि क्या करें, और टेम्परली वी मूव समवेयर एल्स ऑल्सो. एंड देन वी फेल्ट कि अगर कालागोड़ा में कोई जगह हो तो दिस इज़ वेयर आवर होम इज़, दिस इज़ वेयर विच इज़ द होम फॉर बोथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. उस वजह से हम अभी से यहाँ, और वी ऑल्सो हैव अ ग्रेट मैनेजर इन वर्षा. She's managed this gallery before. It used to be called Art Entrance for Kalagoda, and then I said, why not change the name? We got the permission to do that, and here we are. And it just requires a few passionate people to put the things together, and we have that team.
Yeah. Yeah, so like I was just saying, first of all, it's been it's a wonderful feeling to be back in Artist Center, and like I said, I started my very first painting as a member of Artist Center, and it won a prize back in 2017, and that was a big day for me. So after that, we did several exhibitions in Artist Center annual exhibitions, and unfortunately it closed down in 2019, and we are back in town in Kalagoda in 2025. And this came as a surprise for me that it's my exhibition that opened the new Artist Center back in Kalagoda. So I'm very happy about that, and I'd like to thank all the trustee members of Artist Center, Brinda Miller ma'am, Saryu Satija ma'am, Saryu Doshi ma'am, and the other dignitaries, and Varsha ji. And I'm happy that it's been a great show for me. Thank you so much.
Because the first exhibition of the Progressive Artist Group in 1949 in Ador House. That was the founder of the Progressive Artist Group. Ara, Suja, Bakre, Gade, Raza and Hussain. The second show is in 1953 in Ador House. Now, again we started here with collaboration of the Kalagoda, the new Artist Center. As a committee member, I got opportunity thanks to Brunda madam and Sharvi madam.
Hi, I'm Varsha Karade. I'm an art curator for this place when it got renovated in 2023. Before that, it was of course closed for during the COVID for many years. And I'm very happy that Brinda Miller chose me to take care of this gallery, manage this gallery. We are all Kalagoda Association team, and I've been handling this gallery for last 1 year and plus. Today I'm very happy that we are collaborating with Artist Center, which is again a very heritage and a very old association. It's
Indeed a pleasure that we have in our second avatar as Artist Center. We have collaborated with Kalagoda, and the fact that we are in the Kalagoda precincts, the office of Kalagoda and this artist gallery is really a great pleasure, and we are happy to be in the art district of Bombay. Thank you.
खूप छान. आता नागनाथ माणकेश्वरचा शो चालू आहे. खूप सुंदर शो चालू आहे. खूप छान वेगळ्या प्रकारचे पेंटिंग्स आपल्याला इथे बघायला मिळतील. जरूर या. थँक्यू सो मच.
It's fantastic. I mean, it's awesome to see that, we are launching in a big way. It's been there, but now coming together is going to be so beautiful. I'm excited to see bigger exhibitions, more stuff happening over here.
That the Artist Center is back in the same neighborhood, and I can only hope that there are many more interesting events that come here, and I look forward to coming back and reliving those memories. So thank you for